So this has been all over the news. I checked in a how do you say private window opening up Google News. I also tried different places, and this is at the top in the world news for um, yesterday, I think. So there is keywords here: collision, atmosphere, and danger. And this is a news here with a skydiver that dangles from a plane mid-air after parachute mishap in Australia. So, top news. Oh, top news. Okay. You have seen this on the news. I have seen this. And what I do here on my channel is that I do look at the top news, and I will continue to do that in relation to what I'm up to. We also see NASA losing contact with spacecraft. This is December 10th. So it loses contact with a spacecraft that is orbiting Mars. What is an orbiting spacecraft? Well, that's a satellite. So you have the keywords satellite, orbit, and problems. So this satellite has been around Mars since 2013. So it's more than a decade it's been around. And so I find that quite a funny coincidence, considering what I'm up to, and what I'm up to is something very similar, calculating on satellites, collisions, problems, orbits, and now we see this very same. Around this time, we suddenly get a problem with this kind of memetics up in space. It's happening, you could say. I mean, what's happening is that let's get back to, I've been doing like logical thinking for a while now, and let's get back to something even deeper, and that is memetics and how the world works. So, because it goes deeper than just the purists, it goes deeper than this surface of logic that I've been using, and mathematics that I've been using to deduce what's going to happen. And so, yeah, and I see this connecting to what I've been up to this last few days or week maybe. I've been up to calculating on this formula of how probabilities with cascade in the orbits of satellites, which is exactly what this is connecting to this news. Also, we see Mars, right? We see Mars, also a keyword, but that is unrelated to what I'm doing. So I'm just saying that this is quite disproportional. You also had a landing of astronauts just, I think it was yesterday. 2 astronauts landed on Earth. So yeah, just wanted to say that I saw this news about the parachute, and I was thinking, oh, that's a collision in the atmosphere, and it is dangerous. And it's in the top news. As I said, I tried a private window, open up the news, so it's unfiltered from what I want to find or whatever, and it's the same result. This was absolutely the top news in the world. And around the same time, we have problems in space with a satellite in around Mars. As I said, keyword satellite, orbit, problems. this is literally what happened. It's losing contact after more than a decade with this satellite. And so you could see this is almost like magic, you know, this is like magic. And now I'm talking in a different language here to what I've been doing for the last week, right? I've been using this more scientific language for some time now, but I'm moving back to talking in this way that is more accurate when it comes to how the world works. Okay, and we can see that, as I say, in this phenomena here, that satellite orbit problems, communication problems with this, because it served as a relay for NASA's 2 Mars rovers, so there are communication problems. Yeah, that's it, guys. See you. Today is December 12th, 2025. So this is what's happening in the news, like when it comes to space. Suddenly problems, right? Weird.